The United States secured a 1-2 in the Olympic women's long jump as Tabea Bartoletta upset defending champion Brittany Reese to win gold at Rio 2016. Bartoletta, the 30-year-old world champion, took gold with a new personal best of 7.17 meters. Reese, 29, could only manage 7.15 meters with her final attempt, claiming silver ahead of Serbia's Ivana Spajinovic, who jumped a national record of 7.08 meters. Britain's Jasmine Sawyer, 22, finished 8th with a jump of 6.69 meters. 8th in my first Olympic final is good, but I jumped 6.69 meters and I'm better than that, she said. I know I shouldn't really be disappointed. I'm the highest placed Brit and I've beaten a lot of girls that I've been thinking are a lot better than me, but I wanted to beat more of them. Fellow Briton Lorraine Eugene, 24, was eliminated after the first 3 jumps. The Londoner, a bronze medalist at this year's World Indoor Championships, could only jump 6.58 meters to finish 11th. Bartoletta, however, had little time to enjoy her victory on Wednesday night. She had to focus on the women's 4x100 relay on Thursday morning. She is part of the U.S. squad running in the heats at 11:28, 15:28 BST. I couldn't really celebrate. When I won, I realized I have to be back in the morning for the relay, she said.